Illuminating the morning star. For centuries, the planet Venus has fascinated astronomers and scientists alike. Remarkably similar to Earth in size and composition, and our neighbor in our solar system, Venus was long thought to possibly harbor conditions conducive to life. The early theories about Venus suggested an oceanic planet, not unlike Earth, albeit slightly warmer, due to its closeness to the Sun. However, space probes in the early 1960s changed our understanding of Venus. They revealed a landscape that was no Garden of Eden. Venus, rather than being a haven, is a hostile environment where survival is impossible. The planet's surface conditions are extreme. Temperatures are higher than those of a kitchen oven. The atmosphere exerts a crushing pressure, and the air is full of sulfuric acid. The longest a spacecraft has survived on Venus's surface is a mere 2.5 hours. In 1979, NASA's Pioneer mission provided new information. To the naked eye, Venus appears as a dull yellow sphere, but Pioneer sent back ultraviolet images, revealing mysterious dark streaks in its clouds. These dark patches absorb UV light instead of reflecting it. This discovery indicated that something unknown was occurring in Venus's atmosphere, particularly within the cloud layers. At first, astronomers thought there could be a chemical explanation for these dark patches. Venus has various forms of sulfur, and a specific type of sulfur is known to absorb ultraviolet light efficiently. Were the dark patches concentrations of this sulfur form? However, NASA then detected both hydrogen sulfide and sulfur dioxide in the Venusian atmosphere. These two chemicals typically react when in contact, yet they were found coexisting. This suggested that some ongoing process was producing both gases simultaneously. On Earth, these chemicals are often associated with biological activity. This led scientists to ponder the possibility of life on Venus. The planet's surface conditions are undoubtedly brutal, but higher up in the Venusian atmosphere, conditions become more Earth-like. Was it possible that microbial life existed in these atmospheric zones? This theory suggests an entirely new form of life, amazingly resilient and adapted to the extreme conditions of Venus's upper atmosphere. These microorganisms, if they exist, would represent a form of life radically different from what we know on Earth. Such a discovery would not only give us a new understanding of life in the universe, but also challenge our definition of a habitable environment. Studying these potential Venusian life forms could provide insights into the possibilities of life in extreme conditions elsewhere in the cosmos. Moreover, understanding the mechanisms that these hypothetical organisms use to survive in such harsh conditions could revolutionize our understanding of biochemistry and evolution. It might also offer clues about how life could adapt to extreme environments on other planets and moons, or even in interstellar space. This could have far-reaching implications for our search for extraterrestrial life and the understanding of life's potential diversity and resilience. Venus's early history supports these ideas. The planet once possessed oceans that could have harbored the ingredients necessary for life. As the sun's heat intensified, these oceans evaporated, causing a runaway greenhouse effect. Life, if it had existed, would have followed the water vapor into the atmosphere, adapting to a new existence in the clouds. This raises the tantalizing question of whether life on Venus could have somehow migrated to Earth. The exchange of material between planets in our solar system does happen, often through asteroid and comet impacts. These impacts can eject bits of planetary material into space, potentially carrying single-cell organisms. Thus, it's possible that life from Venus could have made its way to Earth, influencing the origins of life on our own planet. Venus was long considered one of the least likely planets to harbor life in our solar system. However, it is now seen as a potential cradle of life. The idea that humanity may have its roots in this seemingly inhospitable world is a profound and stirring concept. Venus, in the cold, early solar system, might indeed have been a warm incubator for life. The exploration of Venus has changed from seeking evidence of a second Earth to uncovering the secrets of a world vastly different from our own. The ongoing study of Venus's atmosphere and surface continues to provide insights into the planet's history, the potential for life beyond Earth, and the interconnected nature of our solar system. Venus, once imagined as a Garden of Eden and now understood as a vastly different world, remains one of the most intriguing planets in our cosmic neighborhood.